There are so many beautiful birds around the world. In the avian world, there are many types, shapes, and behaviors of birds. Let's talk about the world of aves. This beautiful bird is a toucan bird. The toucan is uniquely characterized by its beautiful coloration and beak. Its beak has a very large shape and size. Among the many types of toucan birds, each type has a different color. There are 37 species of toucan, and all of them live in subtropical zones. If you think the beak looks heavy, apparently not. The beak is more like foam but hard. The toucan also uses its beak to attract lovers. Have you ever seen this bird? Look, he has a unique head and beak, isn't it? This is a spoonbill. Spoonbill is named because its beak is similar to a spoon. Based on beak shape, can you guess what he eats? Exactly, he eats fish and other aquatic animals, such as shrimp, crabs, and water insects. The beak of a baby spoonbill is not immediately large. Beak will grow as it gets older,